What if we killed all mosquitoes? Love hiking but dread those pesky mosquito bites? You're not alone. Mosquitoes are often called the most hated creatures, buzzing around and causing chaos. But what if we killed all mosquitoes? Would it be paradise or an unforeseen ecological disaster? Let's uncover the truth behind this radical idea. Every year, mosquitoes are responsible for the spread of diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. They're considered one of the deadliest animals on Earth, causing over 700,000 deaths annually. Imagine a world where such dangers didn't exist. Sounds enticing, right? But is it really that simple? Beyond health risks, mosquitoes are a nuisance during outdoor activities. Camping trips, barbecues, or even relaxing in your backyard often turn into battles against itchy bites. Eliminating them feels like the ultimate solution. But hold that thought. Nature has a way of surprising us. Believe it or not, mosquitoes aren't entirely useless. They play a critical role in ecosystems, especially as a food source. Fish, birds, and even bats rely on mosquito larvae or adults for sustenance. Remove mosquitoes, and you disrupt countless food chains. Could that cause a ripple effect across ecosystems? In addition to being prey, mosquitoes contribute to pollination. While not as efficient as bees, some flowers depend on mosquitoes, particularly those in remote or swampy regions. Could their extinction harm biodiversity in unexpected ways? It's a question scientists grapple with. Here's the twist. Most experts believe humans could eliminate mosquitoes with minimal direct impact on our survival. We've got the tools: insecticides, genetic modification, and habitat removal. Scientists argue that vital roles mosquitoes play could be filled by other species over time. But is it ethical to play God with nature? Still, eliminating over 3,500 mosquito species just to tackle a few harmful ones seems extreme. After all, only about 200 species bite humans. Could targeting only the disease spreaders like Anopheles or Aedes aegypti be a smarter solution? Let's examine the alternatives before declaring war. Picture a world where no child has to fear malaria, and camping feels as carefree as your Instagram feed suggests. Without mosquitoes, public health would drastically improve, particularly in tropical regions. Plus, fewer pesticides mean less environmental contamination and lower costs for governments and families alike. Economic benefits would also emerge. Tourism could thrive in now mosquito-plagued areas. Outdoor events would drastically improve. Would killing mosquitoes help humans live healthier, happier lives? Potentially. But how much are we willing to gamble with nature for that dream? Nature thrives on balance. Erasing an entire species could unleash unknown consequences. What happens to the animals that depend on mosquitoes for food? Perhaps they'll adapt, but perhaps not. A cascade of extinctions within ecosystems could follow, endangering biodiversity and worsening environmental instability. Then there's the question of unintended replacements. If mosquitoes vanish, could other pests, potentially more invasive or harmful, take their place? Nature tends to fill voids, often in ways we can't foresee. Letting mosquitoes live may warn us of the messy unpredictability of intervention. Instead of annihilation, scientists propose middle ground solutions. Imagine genetically modified mosquitoes that can't reproduce or transmit diseases. By releasing these modified bugs into the wild, populations can dwindle without causing ecological collapse. This balances public health priorities and nature's delicate web. Advancing public health without total mosquito elimination is also possible. Better repellents, vaccines for mosquito-borne diseases, and habitat solutions that curb breeding can coexist with nature. These options remind us that complex problems sometimes demand thoughtful, collaborative approaches instead of drastic ones. While it's tempting to dream of a mosquito-free world, the reality is far more complex. Sure, eliminating them would save lives and boost outdoor fun, but the potential ecological fallout and ethical concerns are too significant to ignore. Perhaps mosquitoes, as annoying as they are, remind us to tread carefully in asserting control over nature. Instead of rushing to extermination, we should focus on strategies that align public health goals with the preservation of ecosystems. By doing so, we might create a world that's safer and sustainable, proving that coexistence is often the key to harmony. Now here's the real question. Where do you stand in this debate? Should humans prioritize health over ecosystems, or seek harmony between the two? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep diving into nature's fascinating puzzles with us. Together, let's explore the balance of life.